Welcome back to the Accent on Air What Faith and Food episode would be complete without a recipe from one of our local pastors.
Okay, Father McGuirk, tell us what we're making today.
Well, because it's for Lent, it'll be a vegetarian lentil soup. 1 shredded onion, a couple pieces of shredded celery, and some matchstick carrots, all chopped up fine so they cook faster. 1 shredded potato.
And some spices that we're going to be putting in.
1 good teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, and that depends on your health. A couple bay leaves to give it that soup flavor we're all familiar with. And my grandfather Corso always loved fennel in anything with tomato. So those are fennel seeds to give the tomato base a little more flavor. We're going to go ahead and put in the celery that's been minced, and the onions that have also been minced already for a good 8 minutes.
8 minutes.
Yeah, just till the onions are translucent.
Okay.
Let's do the potatoes next.
Potatoes, okay. So you just shredded the potato. Was it a red potato?
As a single guy, some days you have what you have.
Now, Father McGuirk, is this a family recipe?
Mom's people came from Sicily and they loved soups like this. They loved beans, they loved vegetarian things, although they would eat fish and other products too. But especially in Lent, they had the best recipes for Lent, including pizzas that were meatless. They're thick, they're delicious, and if you're very fussy about weight, don't come. And I think we put everything in that we needed. Okay. Oh, except for the lentils.
Yes, can't forget that. Why do we use lentil beans?
Well, because my dad and my mother often used really dried beans. They need to soak overnight. They need to boil for about 2 hours before you can even add flavors and salt to them.
Okay.
I like lentils because in just 15 minutes, the dried bean pretty much rehydrates and they're ready to go.
Oh, great.
Usually in about half an hour, this will be cooked.
That's all it takes.
Yeah, although if you need a little more heat, then you bring it up a little bit.
Okay.
Robin, these bowls are ready for tasting, and this really reminds me of Lent because we're celebrating the death of Jesus on the cross, and there is no meat in this, but it's nourishing and the best thing you can eat for your health.
That's delicious.
It's a very good bean to eat.
It is, and it's a very quick and easy soup to make for families. And if you do have someone coming over last minute and you have all the ingredients, it's simple.
You can get everybody involved in helping with the process.
Well, that's a great idea.
It's good for the family.